I just want to thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out and enjoying my show tonight. Just don't forget to drop something in my tip jar. Ah, you're so generous, so kind. And I want to leave all of you with a very special message. Hurricane, you can call them slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Those little hurricanes, hurricane, they'll scramble up your brain, make you forget your name. They call them hurricane, hurricane. Have you slobbering all over women thinking you got some game? You ought to be ashamed. That's the truth. Hurricane, hurricane. You know they don't call them hurricanes, ladies and gentlemen. These things are very lethal. And I want you to listen to Slammy now, because you go out there tonight, life you save just might be mine, ladies and gentlemen. Know what I'm saying? Hurricane, messing up your brain. They'll make it come up lame. The lady won't have nothing to do with you and your game. So I'm urging all of you to refrain from the hurricane. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The Wicked Chaz on the keyboards, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for the Wicked Chaz. Looks like he's already had too many hurricanes. Thank you.